The city of Joy, Kolkata, is now witnessing outrage over the film Kesari Chapter 2. Right now, we can see Bengali Nationalist Organization, the pro-Bengali advocacy organization, Bangla Pokho, is now staging protest against the Bollywood movie Kesari Chapter 2. Would like to speak to Bangla Pokho activist Kaushik Maiti. Kindly let us know what are the major issues. Why are you staging protest against the Bollywood movie? Why are you targeting the Bollywood movie Kesari Chapter 2?
In Jio Hotstar, there is a cinema, Bollywoodi Hindi film by Karan Johar, and the lead actor is Akshay Kumar. There is a scene, the cinema name of the cinema is Kesari Chapter 2. In a courtroom, Akshay Kumar depicts a historical picture, the historical event, where he says that Khudiram Singh and Barinder Kumar, they charged bomb against British officer Kingsford. Khudiram Singh, mind it, Khudiram Singh and Barinder Kumar. But we know, whoever have read some portion of history, everyone knows that brave Bengalis, two brave hearts, Khudiram Bose and Prabullo Chaki, they charged bomb against this British oppressor Kingsford, not Khudiram Singh, not Barinder Kumar. They are Khudiram Bose and Prabullo Chaki. They tried to refer Barin Ghosh as Barinder Kumar, but Barin Ghosh was accused by the British in Alipur Boma case. That was a different case, and Kingsford case was a different case. They merged the case and they made Khudiram Bosu as, they portrayed Khudiram Bosu as Khudiram Singh and Prabullo Chaki as Barinder Kumar. We know that Hemchandra Kanungo, who used to make bomb, they taught Khudiram Bose and Prabullo Chaki how to make bomb. He taught, not Kripal Singh. This kind of thing is a hatred against Bengalis. They have hatred against Bengali martyrs. They have hatred against Bengali freedom fighters. They want names of the Bengali freedom fighters to be removed from the history book. That is why we are protesting. It is a propaganda. It is their propaganda. They have made it intentionally. And shame on the censor board. They know it. Everyone knows the history. But they have released the cinema. So shame on censor board who have allowed the cinema to be released in the cinema halls.
Why do you think it was pre-planned and it was made intentionally?
Because everyone has their own research team. There is a big cinema on historical events. There should be a research team. If you search in Google, the first line will come, Kingsford, Khudiram Bosu, Prabullo Chaki. So how they made it? They imagined to make propaganda. It is pre-planned. We know, everyone knows that Akshay Kumar makes propaganda films. So it is part of their propaganda. They want to undermine the role of Bengali freedom fighters in the freedom struggle of India. We Bengalis, our forefathers, fought from the front to liberate India from the British. But they want Savarkar, who wrote Mercy Petition. They want to make Savarkar hero, and Khudiram Bosu, they want Khudiram Bosu to be removed from the history book. But we will never allow.
What do you think? Who should be held accountable for the mistake? Who should be held accountable for the mistake?
Three parties are there. One, Akshay Kumar, his propaganda film. Second, production, Karan Johar and his team. And third, censor board. Censor board is under control of central government, union government that is led by BJP. Everyone is protesting in Bengal over this issue. The insult of Bengali martyrs, Bengali freedom fighters. Against this insult, everyone is protesting except BJP.
Why are you connecting BJP with that Bollywood movie?
So I think if you watch movies of Akshay Kumar, he makes propaganda film. So for whom? For whose favor? he makes films of this kind of propaganda. Everyone knows. You know, your camera person know, everyone knows, the T-seller knows, everyone knows. So, whenever Akshay Kumar makes a film, that becomes a propaganda by BJP. Everyone know. Everyone knows. Your anchor knows, everyone knows. So, it is a clear-cut propaganda against Bengalis, hatred against Bengali martyrs, hatred against Bengali freedom fighters to undermine the role of Bengali in freedom fight. So we want, they have to apologize. Keshori 2 team have to apologize in front of Bengalis unconditionally. It is our main demand. They have to apologize in front of Bengalis unconditionally, and they have to remove this scene and make it recorrect.
So they are raising serious allegation against the makers of Bollywood movie Kesari Chapter 2. The main allegation is in that Bollywood movie, Bengali sentiments have been hurt by the makers of that Bollywood movie, and they have distorted the historical facts. They have distorted the name and surname of Bengali freedom fighters. An FR has also been registered at Vidyannagar South Police Station for allegedly distorting history and falsely portraying Bengali freedom fighters in that Bollywood movie. In Vidyannagar South Police Station has launched investigation to the case, and that is the main allegation that Bengali sentiments have been hurt in this Hindi movie starred by Akshay Kumar. With camera person Tabas Boiri, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.